I just picked this up at Tractor Supply. I am a huge fan of the Indian pony, so I just had to get this. I wasn't able to get the full set. They don't have it locally to me, and this was at my local store, so I was happy. I'm really kind of only interested in the Indian pony, although I would like the new stock horse at some point. But I am happy to have this. I do have a very beat up old buckskin Indian pony, so I'm hoping to do in the future a restoration on it. But in the meantime, I'm happy to have the little mini-me version. So this will go along with the little chestnut pinto. So I'm going to do an unboxing and see what the little surprise foal is. I'm going to try to carefully open this. I have some like viscous hair that's flying because I'm doing a haired unicorn. And let's see if I can get the little foal out. And not having much luck at the moment. Don't want to break them. Oh, I think it's black. I think it's a little black prancing foal, which would be really cute. I guess I gotta open the rest of the box because I don't want to break them. Alright, there we go. Should have done that to begin with. So there's my little Indian pony. And I actually kind of like this little guy. He's kind of cute. Might need to see about getting a couple of bodies. Painting that. So here is my little surprise foal. And I do love black. I love black Breyers. And let me cut the little tape. And he is cute. And I love his little star. He is adorable. Very cute. So that's what I got as my surprise foal in this set. I gotta get out this mirror. I need to see her up close. These little wire things are a real pain. I don't want to break a leg. Let's see how these come off. I'm going to pause for a second, I think. Maybe not. There's one. And let's see if I can get two. Switching over to the X-Acto. Carefully cutting. I'm cutting myself. Ha! Wouldn't that be hysterical? And here she is. Let me put the little foal over there. And I just love her. Really nice shading. Very pretty. And she's going to go very nice with my big one once I can get it restored. It does have war paint, so I don't know. I may need to get a second one and maybe try to recreate the war paint on it. But oh gosh, she is really cute. I definitely need to conga these Indian ponies. I cannot wait until Breyer decides to come out with some other colors. Definitely gonna need a few more. All right, so that's my unboxing video for tonight. Enjoy, folks.